its inception in 2018. Biozenta has rapidly grown to become a leader in the pharmaceutical and life sciences sector. Driven by a strong commitment to innovation, research and its core value, human helping human, Biozenta aims to deliver high-quality healthcare solutions to the world.
I have a B.Pharm M.Pharm and PhD. मेरे ब्लड में फार्मेसी है, so I know the business of pharmacy and know the medicine. When I study in pharmacy, उस समय से मेरे माइंड में था कि मैं अपना कुछ बिजनेस करूँगा और कुछ अच्छा करेंगे. So that time से मैं एक नाम की सर्च कर रहा था. Finally I got Biozenta name and this is a very unique name, having all words have some unique word specification and same definition. Biozenta कंपनी को हमने बनाने के लिए हमने जो हमारा बेस कॉन्सेप्ट था दैट इज ओनली फॉर कि हम लोग एक कुछ क्रिटिकल केयर मॉलिक्यूल या अच्छा मॉलिक्यूल करेंगे जिससे कि हम सोसाइटी को सर्व कर सके और जिसकी नीड बहुत ज़्यादा हो. सो Biozenta स्टार्टेड ओनली नोन इन इंडिया नाउ और इंटरनेशनल फॉर ऑन्कोलॉजी. मेरा जो मेन फोकस है कि हम लोग प्रोडक्ट जो बना रहे हैं ऑन्कोलॉजी का, उसमें भी हम लोग क्रिटिकल मॉलिक्यूल्स है लाइक लाइपोसोमल है, नैनो पार्टिकल्स है, माइक्रोस्फीयर्स है, जो बहुत कम कंपनियां काम कर रही हैं. Biozenta का एक जो मोटिव है मार्केट में कि कैंसर पेशेंट उसको ट्रीट करने के लिए हम लोगों ने प्लान किया कि यार इफेक्टिव मॉलिक्यूल्स और अच्छे मॉलिक्यूल, क्वालिटी मॉलिक्यूल, अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट पे प्राइस पे हम दें लोगों को, Biozenta लोगो. तो उसके साथ एक स्लोगन है, ह्यूमन हेल्पिंग ह्यूमन. आवर कोर वैल्यू एंड मिशन, अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट, जीरो डिफेक्ट विद क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट. इस विजन को लेके हमने काम किया एंड विद टीम वर्क. हमारे पास आज के डेट में जितने भी हमारे एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं, मेरी टीम है, दे आर वेरी यंग एंड टेक्नोक्रेट्स. Biozenta की ग्रोथ में मेरे वाइफ का बहुत बड़ा रोल है बिकॉज उन्होंने मुझे हमेशा सपोर्ट किया.
Biozenta's success lies in its diverse product range, from life-saving oncology treatments to advanced formulations. With a strong focus on research, innovation and expansion, Biozenta has built a solid global presence to meet the evolving demands of healthcare worldwide. Since its founding in 2018, Biozenta has achieved significant milestones in the pharmaceutical industry. In 2019, the company launched its first oncology and critical care manufacturing unit in Una, Himachal Pradesh. By 2021, Biozenta expanded its operations with a general manufacturing unit and an R&D lab specializing in monoclonal antibody development. In 2023, Biozenta earned PIC's approval for its oncology and general manufacturing units, recognized globally for its advanced formulation like nanoparticle drugs and lyophilized injectables. With the opening of corporate offices in Mumbai and the US and upcoming biosimilar product launches, Biozenta continues to solidify its presence in both domestic and international markets. Key to Biozenta's rapid growth is its vertical integrated approach to R&D, manufacturing and quality control. With EU GMP and PIC's approved facilities, Biozenta leverages advanced technology and streamlined processes to support its global operation, ensuring the highest standard of healthcare innovation.
Biozenta Life Science established in 2018. We got the SIN certificate in 2018. We got the manufacturing license in 2019, and our regulatory team working on the dossier and COPP from the first day, and we start filing for dossier in different countries in Asia, LATAMs. Now we are increasing our dossiers in different countries. We are working in more than 37 countries, like in LATAM, in Africa, in CIS, in Asian countries. We got the certification from different regulatory authorities: Kenya, Malawi, Yemen, Cambodia, Philippines, Russia. Our upcoming audits are Tanzania, Ethiopia, EU GMP, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait.
With further expansion plans, Biocenta is poised to continue growth driven by its new partnerships and product launches. The company remains committed to providing high-quality, affordable healthcare solutions across the globe.
Being Biocenta, we remain committed to our vision of human helping human. As we continue to innovate and expand, and focus will always be on improving lives through quality healthcare solutions.
As Biocenta forges ahead, its commitment to innovation, quality and affordable healthcare remains at the core of its mission, paving the way for a healthier, brighter future for generations to come.